YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here with Evie.
Hi guys.
This is my number one guinea pig. Whenever I try to try fruits and vegetables.
My nickname.
Yeah, guinea pig. Test subject. Lab rat. Okay, today we have something called Mount Rainier cherries.
Cereja.
Cereja?
Cereja.
Okay, the Portuguese word is cereja.
Yes.
Cereja?
Cereja.
Cereja. Okay,
right.
yeah, I'm close. I actually have this tree in the front yard. Did you know that?
Yes, I know.
The cherry tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
It's it was a 4-in-1. It's a 3-in-1 because one of them died, and I want to say the Mount Rainier is the one that died off. It was a grafted tree. Well, it is a grafted tree. Hey. So.
Once a piece.
A piece. Mm-hmm. Okay, so. All honesty, the only cherries I've ever had in life was fruit cups. Do y'all have fruit cups in Brazil?
No.
Well, as a little kid, we used to, Mom used to pack up fruit cups in our lunchbox.
I saw here in the United States.
Yeah, it's like Libby's, and it was always super red.
Yes.
Yeah, real red cherry, and it was cut in half, and of course there was no pit, no seed, or whatever in the middle.
Yeah, for kids.
So that's the only time I remember eating a cherry. Get there. Okay, so I don't know if this is sweet, sour, tart, bitter, whatever. Okay, somebody else wants one, but I ain't no dogs ate cherries, but
my dog is cherry.
He eats cherries. That's off the hook. Okay, so you know what I always say. Does it have a seed in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you just like.
Look at that. A seed.
Okay. So.
Wonderful taste, just like the regular cherry.
Regular cherry?
Uh-huh.
So I don't
the
know.
fresh.
These are fresh. So,
I love it.
Sweet, sour, tart.
Sweet. Little sour. Little.
Okay, I might like this then. But
I love it.
Scale 1 to 10.
10. You can buy more. It's very good.
The first bite, it actually tastes like a grape.
Grape?
A grape.
Really?
Yeah, it has a consistency of a grape. I thought it'd be tough and hard, but it's not.
No, it's very soft. I love it.
You say you give it a 10?
10. I can eat this every day.
You can't?
Yes.
Or you can?
I can.
Okay, me, I give it about an 8.
8? Why?
It's sweet, but then it goes into its tartness. And I prefer sweet fruit. I think my dog, you prefer sweet too, don't you?
Acabou. It's over.
It's over. Acabou. Yeah, we don't have no more.
Yeah.
All right, so there you have it. We have a 10 and we have an 8 on the Mount Rainier cherry. And this is my first fresh cherry that's not in a fruit cup.
Oh.
Yeah. So, would I buy this again? Yeah.
Yeah.
I would. If I saw it, and I had some extra money in my pocket, I'll buy it.
Yeah.
So, go get you some Mount Rainier cherries. Peace.
Bye.